So children, we are coming to a very important branch of mathematics, that is arithmetic progression, and arithmetic progression comes under a series called sequence and series. Now I've taken up some numbers which are there in form of a sequence. What do I mean by that? I'll try to explain through the examples, then you'll know. Like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Suppose I ask you a question, what is the next number? So then you have to think if there is a pattern. Now according to me, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So the next number will be 6 square, that will be 36. In 36 will be there. Then followed by 7 square, 49. So there is a pattern in these numbers, so they form a sequence. And you know, I can put that this is in form of n square, where n is a natural number, n belongs to natural number. So if I can get a general formula for this sequence, then how will it help me? It can help me very easily if I say which is the 15th term. So I'll put n value as 15th and I'll get the 15th term very easily. That is 15 square, 225. So this is a sequence. Then another sequence is 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So that means those are cubes, and that means the sixth one will be 6 cube, that is 216. So the first one has a general representation of n square. There is a formula for it, and this has got n cube, where n is a natural number. And the dot over there are dots over here. That means these are infinite sequences. We cannot count. It can go till 1000 n's value and more. Now we come to a very important part. Let us very quickly have a look on this. 212, then 217, then next is 222, then next is 227, and next is 232. So there is a pattern, if you will carefully examine. 217 minus 212 is how much? 217 minus 212 will be 5. So the difference of a term preceding its term is 5. Then here also 222 minus 217 is 5. So the difference of a term with the preceding term is 5. 227 minus 222 is again 5. So this is again the same difference is coming. So if somebody asks me what is the next term, that means the number is actually being increased by 5. So I'll tell there is 237 over here. So there is the difference between any term and its preceding term over here is constant. The same thing happens, suppose I take up 6, 11, 16, 21 and 26. Here also the difference is 5. There is a common difference. 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. There is a common difference. So 11 minus 6 is 5, 16 minus 6 is 5, 21 minus 16 is 5, 26 minus 21 is 5. So there is a common difference. So I can say that the numbers are increasing by 5. So this is 26. The next number will be 31. So I can go ahead with this. So these are some example of sequences I can give you. But here this particular pattern which is coming out, there is a common difference between a term and a successive term which is constant, which is fixed for all the examples. So these are called arithmetic progression. These are arithmetic progression. One more example of arithmetic progression will be 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 and so on. So see what is happening. 7 minus 4 will be 3, 10 minus 7 will be 3, 13 minus 10 will be 3, 16 minus 13 will be 3. So there is a common difference in successive terms. So That is also known as the common difference is called D. Common difference is D. Here common difference is D, are denoted as D, and here common difference is equal to 3. So such sequences are called arithmetic progression, in which successive terms have the same difference and the common difference, and the common difference is always calculated by a term and the difference from the previous term, any term minus the previous term, not the, so that pattern has to be, that order has to be understood. So that is there. Now if any number, any sequence is such that C is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 12, initially no pattern appears, but when you can carefully examine the denominator 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, then the denominator is in arithmetic sequence. So such sequences are called harmonic progression.